guys! Welcome back again. So here we are. Yan, ang bilis-bilis. Daddy is so faster. Welcome back to my channel. And I need to talk fast also because Daddy, is going down fast. Not sideways this time. Yeah. So we're here at BolinaoFalls2. I'm sorry again, guys. My phone is shaky. Please forgive me for all that I do. Yeah, so there. It's really hurt on the legs, Really masakit sa legs. Yeah, so Daddy is there. He's really excited about that. Look, he's taking a video. And here at Bolinaao Falls, we went to, swim, even though we don't have, we didn't bring a clothes, and then we were really wet, really got wet, of course. But, you cannot resist the call of nature. Yeah, because it's really beautiful down there, at Bolinaao Falls too. And then there's a falls, the other guy is there, he jumps on the falls, the falls. And we're really walking slowly there. I really walk slow there. Because it's really hurt. Really hurt from Bolinao 1, Falls 1, and then we went there, down there again. I think that was like 80 steps. So it really hurt. And then the next day, I really can't walk. And lack of exercise already. So there, I can see the falls, the water there. Can you see it, guys? Even though my phone is really shaky. So there you have it. It's really beautiful. It's really worth after that, even though you have a lot of muscle pain, and everything, leg pain. You need to go to the body massage after that, But the water there is really fresh and, cool, because it came from the mountain. I don't know. Yeah. Almost there. It takes a while before I go down. I'm like an old lady, old lady. I'm like 60 years old, and then walking slow, going down so slow. Yeah, so that's it. We'll see the beautiful thing there. There. That's part of it. Part of the Batis, Lawa, river, beach. It's really nice. I'm still shaky, oh my gosh. No life vest, no swimming. No life vest, no swimming. Something like that. And then you need to pay for, like 50 pesos for the life vest. And then we bought, we rent a life vest there for me and Daddy. And then so that we can take a, swim over the mountain, over the lake, over the swimming pool, whatever. And there, it's really nice. So we choose the purple one. Right after that, but I check it first there before I pay the life vest. See the beautiful, but it's really, a lot of stones. And my feet got hurt, my foot, because I stepped on the rocks. It's really sharpy. So there. And then we decided to go swim and then rent for life vest. After that, I'll show you if I can, So it's really nice, really worth there. Cannot resist the call of nature.
Hi, Daddy.
Yeah.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
So we're here at BolinaoFalls2.
I'm in water.
Yeah. Oh, you take off your hat.
Just make sure you leave it where you can see it. See that rock
Here?
over there, Mama?
Where? Yeah.
You can put it on there and that way nobody can take it.
No, maybe here. My cell phone. You know, just here.
Put on my keys. Put my keys in my hat. Put your cell phone in my hat. Put my hat up on top of the rock.
Yeah.
Up there is where you're filming at.
Mm-hmm.
I'll put it up there and then you can see it in the water. Check it.